Lift your hands and just worship him. He deserves the glory. He deserves the honor. Come on, worship. Open your mouth and begin to speak to him. Come on, open your mouth and let the Spirit begin to flow out of you. My heart, my mind, my soul belongs to you. My love, my life, it all belongs to you. Belongs to you. Come on and sing it with me. My heart, my mind, lift your voice and say, my heart, my mind, my soul. Say my love, my love. It all belongs to you. Belongs to you. Yes, it does. How many's ready to turn everything over to the Lord? Lift your hands and tell me. Say, belongs to you. Give it over. Hey, second voice is what we say. The songs. Sing it with me. We sing. They all belong to you. They all belong. Look at him and tell us, say the air that I breathe. I breathe. It all. Yes, it does. Belong to you. Belong to you. Hey. Yes, it does. And I give you the glory and the honor, 'cause it belongs to you. Belongs to you. Yes. Somebody lift your voice in this place. Lift your hands and give God the glory. Listen to me all the time. Sing yes. I surrender it all. Yes. I'm turning all over. Sing yes. Sing it all belongs to you. Sing it, sing it, sing it. Voice and tell God yes. You got me yes. I surrender it all. Lift your mouth and all tell me yes. I'm turning it all over. Yes. It all belongs to you. Somebody give praise to the Lord tonight. Somebody give it all to God tonight. Give your heart, give your mind, give your soul, give your will, give your emotion, give your pain, give your stress, give your depression. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Lift your hands and say, it all belongs to you. I'm Oh, it all belongs to you. It all belongs to you. Say it all belongs to you. Hey, it all belongs to you. It all belongs to you.
Come on, everybody, why don't you just lift up your hands tonight? Come on, I always say, Lord, we surrender. Yes, I surrender.